A factory reset on your T-Mobile home internet gateway restores it to its original settings, erasing your data to fix software issues. You typically do this via the web interface at 192.168.0.1 or the T-Mobile app under Settings Reset. However, if it fails, it often indicates firmware corruption, where the device's operating system is unstable due to failed updates, power outages, or rarely, malware. As of October 2025, about 15% of reported factory resets fail, particularly after 2 to 3 years of use or interrupted firmware updates. When a factory reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. This involves pressing and holding the reset button on the back of the gateway for 10 to 15 seconds, or unplugging it for 30 seconds. This forces a reboot, bypassing software controls. Before trying this, back up your settings via the T-Mobile app. If the hard reset also fails, the next step is to reflash the firmware, which involves downloading the latest firmware from T-Mobile and manually installing it via USB. Note that T-Mobile released a critical patch in September 2025, version 1.2.3, to resolve reset loops, so make sure to update to that version or the latest. As a last resort, contact T-Mobile support for a device replacement, especially if under warranty, typically 3 years.